Well guys, I am so excited, finally going to get a chance to ride in the all-new Ford GT Mark IV. It's a track-only version of the Ford GT, $1.7 million, 67 of them being made for 1967. 800,000. This is gonna be sick. I have to say, they absolutely knocked it out of the parks with the look on the Mark IV. I love the LED headlights, all of the aero work. Apparently the engine has been completely redesigned from the road car. Pretty much everything other than the crankcase is different, so new heads, new cams, new pistons, new turbos, fully stripped out. I love the roof scoop, tons of downforce. This is gonna be an unbelievable ride. I haven't been this excited to get behind the wheel, in the passenger seat, excuse me, of a car in a very long time. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out the Ford GT Mark IV. Inside of the Ford GT Mark IV now, get a load of the steering wheel with all of the individual controls. We've got the ignition button, wiper. Look how awesome that pedal box is. The steering wheel shape is unbelievable. It's got a sequential 6-speed manual transmission that is electronically actuated. I believe this is probably a screen to the left and the right for mirrors, as well as the instrument cluster here. Very bare bones in here. Roll cage, carbon fiber, really awesome Sparco buckets. Obviously a harness. It's hard to get into this thing, and then check it out. The doors themselves are still those classic butterfly doors. This is about to be nuts. Impossible to put into words how insane that car is. The levels of downforce and the acceleration was staggering. I expected it to be fast, but that, oh my God, I've never experienced anything quite like that. It's seriously the cornering ability. I thought we were going off the track. Obviously he's a pro and we're not going off the track, but my God, what a car. For the lucky 67 people who get one of these, you're gonna have one heck of a vehicle. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.